Today we're going to follow an easy autumn-inspired makeup look. That reminds me of having a freshly baked caramel brownie under a warm and cozy blanket. Lenses are optional, but they definitely add a bit more softness and warmth. Grab your favorite drink or snack and let's get on to the tutorial. The original creator is at Yoli1231 on 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐈𝐿, so make sure to support her. And we're all done. What do you think? If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Check out my TikTok in the description, where you can also find all the products used in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.